G'day, Caleb here, and today as a nutrition coach, I want to ask you the question, are you getting enough protein in your diet? It's an important part of your fitness training, and today I want to give you an example of one food that you can eat at each meal that's really high in protein.
Before that, let's talk quickly about why protein is important. For athletes or people exercising regularly, protein has two key functions. Firstly, it's vital for muscle growth and repair. Resistance training increases muscle protein breakdown, making protein crucial for recovery and growth. And then secondly, it's used to transport oxygen and minerals like iron and zinc throughout the body. This is obviously important when you're working out. So if you don't track your protein intake, now might be a good time to start. To give you an idea of how much protein you need to eat, a 25-year-old male weighing 75 kilos, exercising 3 to 4 times a week, should aim to eat around 160 grams of protein per day, and a 25-year-old female weighing 60 kilograms, exercising 4 to 5 times per week, should aim to eat around 125 grams per day. Remember, this is generic advice, and for more personalised advice, please get in touch using the links in the description. So let's get into the meals. For breakfast, the easiest option is eggs. A typical scrambled egg recipe of eggs with whole milk contains almost 11 grams of protein per 100 grams. Scrambled eggs can be eaten with whole grain toast, and this is a fairly good breakfast. Eggs also contain a lot of essential micronutrients, including potassium, which is used for muscle contraction, and zinc, which is used for immune function. If you prefer a hard-boiled egg, that's about 5.8 grams of protein per egg. Lunch can be a bit harder, but my suggestion is a chicken schnitzel sandwich. This requires a bit of preparation, as you'll need to bake a chicken schnitzel the night before, but this also gives you 16.5 grams of protein per 100 grams. So again, combine that with some whole grain bread and maybe a slice of cheese, and you're well on your way to meeting your protein target. For dinner, my go-to high protein meat is kangaroo. Depending on the cut you purchase, it can contain between 20 and 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. The other great thing about kangaroo is it's a very lean meat at only between 1 and 2.5% fat, depending on the cut. You can stir fry it or put it in the slow cooker and eat it with some brown rice, and that's a great meal. Now, you might not be able to get kangaroo meat where you live. Beef works just as well, but just be sure to get a lean cut.
So there you go. I hope I've given you some ideas of what you can eat. Is there a protein that you like to eat? Let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found the content useful. If you did, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. And remember, keep doing hard things to achieve your goals.